In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw an isometric circle in AutoCAD. To begin, you need to change the drawing mode to isometric. Go to the command line, type ISO draft, and press Enter. After entering the command, you will see three options: isometric left, isometric top, and isometric right. Select the isometric plane you want to use for your drawing. Once the isometric plane is set, you can start creating the circle. To do this, type Ellipse into the command line and press Enter. When the Ellipse command starts, select the Isocircle option. AutoCAD will now allow you to draw a circle that follows the isometric plane you selected. Move your cursor and specify the location and size of the isometric circle. The circle will automatically align with the isometric view, creating the correct 3D appearance on a 2D drawing. After placing the circle, your isometric circle is complete. You can repeat the same process whenever you need to create additional isometric circles in your drawing. And that's how to draw an isometric circle in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.